been in the family business for a long time in the automotive industry. It started out in 1977 with our father opening up Auto Ambulance, which was with the first mobile automotive repair business in Georgia. Shortly after, in 1984, he opened his first service station in Lithonia, and me and my brother started working at that shop and pumping gas at full service gas station at about 8 years old. About 2 years ago, our father decided to go ahead and retire. At that point, me and my brother, we decided that we were going to go ahead and rebrand and recommission the business in the image that we wanted. So we took a little bit of the old school northern heritage, as that's where our family's from, with the gas station attached with the service station on a good location right next to the expressway where we can service the most people possible. And so about 2 years ago, plans started, a year of construction, and then here we are. This is what we've done.
You know, we do general maintenance, anything from the oil changes to tire repairs. You know, that's another thing. You know, it's hard to get a tire repair these days. A lot of places are just selling tires when they don't need it. We also, if someone comes in off the road and they said, oh, I need some air in my tires, we'll go ahead and put air in their tires. That's as basic as it gets. We also deal with heavy automotive as well. We can do anything as far as you know, putting engines in, and you know, we do alignment services here. We do full tire business. We also do emission repair. We also do tune-ups. You know, we just, like I said, we want to be the you know, one for all kind of shop. So any small needs you have, I don't want any customers to hesitate and go, oh, that's silly for me to come in there. I don't know if they're going to help me out. We're here to help. If you have a little piece of trim coming off your vehicle because you hit something in the road, we can put that back into, you know, we're just here for you no matter what. So.
We are a 6-bay facility here, 1 bay being a flat bay for emissions. So we have 6 service bays, 6 total lifts, 1 alignment lift. We really like to make sure that we keep our customers' vehicle serviced, that way that they don't have problems down the road, and we like to keep them well informed about things that are going to be coming up. That way they can budget it in their family budget and know what's coming up. That way they don't have additional costs in their household that they did not, you know, expect.
When we did this venture, we decided to brand with NAPA, build a partnership and everything. It's a great addition to our business. Like I said, you can't have just any tech working here. They have to have an ASE certification. I think that's important for the customer to know, and I keep reminding customers, when an ASE certified tech works on their car and we print a work order out, it has his tech number stamped in there, and that's important so that we can show that we have the highest quality people working on the cars. I also personally worked at NAPA a whole year while this place was being constructed, which was very interesting because I got to flip to the other side and sell parts at one of the busier stores down on Indian Trail. So that was a good experience for me to learn the parts side of it. So it's kind of helped me out here too as well. We keep these pamphlets out. We give these to the customers to travel with confidence. Everything's backed by 24 months, 24,000. That's nationwide. They can go on a website through the NAPA AutoCare website. They can quickly locate shops in their area no matter where they are in the nation. As long as it's a NAPA AutoCare Center, then there's no questions asked. It will be handled quickly and efficiently, and the customer will be taken care of, and that's a big thing. It's a peace of mind warranty. It really is, because you know, people travel everywhere these days and they depend on their cars, and you know, it's a great addition to when we tell people why it's different than going to another shop. So I'm really happy that we partnered up.
I am an ASE Master Tech. I work here as well in the bays. We have Chris, that's also an ASE certified tech. Kevin has been a service advisor and a service parts professional for as long as I can remember. So he fits,
8 years old.
Yeah, so he fits real well into the front position here. I kind of shop manage and also take care of overflow. We are in the process of hiring some more ASE technicians. We're actually in contact with right now to try to grow it, in a responsible manner. And I think we're about to that point. And ultimately, once we get done, we'll be a 5-person staff here every day. And I think that's going to be appropriate. And I think that's going to do volumes for our growth in our business, to be able to get these cars done, get them done promptly, fast, and accurately is most important, and deliver to the customer so that they can go on with their lives and what they need to do, because the last thing they want is their vehicle in a repair shop.
Now you have top local certified mechanics, quality, reliability, and efficiency standards backed by the national power of NAPA. Just look for the NAPA AutoCare logo. NAPA AutoCare Centers. The parts you trust are now the shops you rely on.